Axeman, stand to your blocks. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you heard, that was a perfect start. They all hit the block together on 3. They're all the way. This is where it all starts now. They'll cut into the front. They'll get right through at least halfway, and they'll try and bury right in underneath on the front. And they'll go around. There we go. We've got our first man around. Now we've got to chase them up. Righto, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. We've got to finish the block. Mitch Argent on 1, Jamie Head 2, Josh Adamson 3, Gerald Jules 4, Jack Argent 5, Campbell Newman 6. We're after first in the 375 Queensland Underhand Championship for 2016. Waiting there. There you go, he's nearly knackered. He can hardly lift his left arm up. There's Mitch Argent down. Come on, guys, keep going. We need right through to 6th place. Josh Adamson on 4, Gerald Gills on 4, Jack Argent 5, Campbell Newman 6. We still want 3rd place, guys. Good money up for grabs. Keep plugging away. This is the John and Faye Green 375ml Underhand Championship, Queensland title. Josh Adamson down. Now we're after 4th, guys. Keep going. There we go, 4. Keep going, boys. 5th and 6th up for grabs now. You've got to finish to collect. There we go, 5. Stick with Campbell Newman. Down the bottom there. Stick with him, Campbell. Don't give up, mate. These guys are